Here we have our control panel. As you can see from the home screen, we are prompted with very simple instructions to copy, scan, memory device or storage options, settings, and so forth. From copy, you'll be asked whether you want to use one page to one page, two page to two page, and so on and so forth. This is also where you'll find your finishing options, such as stapling. Paper settings is an important feature to know, and this is where you'll see your auto selection has been turned on. This allows all cassettes to be in play when printing, and once removed, you'll be prompted to select which tray it is you want to pull from. Leaving this on auto allows for all four to be pulled from. In advanced features, you'll see a number of selections, and from there you'll be able to do things such as manipulate image quality, enhance the size, and even remove shadows. Scanning will allow you to scan to email, scan to a folder, or even a drive.